Hello. Hi guys. Welcome back to the next session of SAP ABAP on HANA training series. Thank you for choosing JK tutorials. So guys, in our previous session we have discussed about this, what is this anonymous block. So in this today's session, we will start with the procedure block. Okay. So what is this anonymous? They don't have any name and they will not exist in the system also. And we cannot reuse this. Now, what is this? Why we will use this procedure? Okay, if we want to return multiple values, okay, or we want to process with lot of processing, we have to go with the procedure. Okay, so in that case, procedure is the good idea. Okay, let's start guys and create your first procedure. Okay, simple procedure. Okay, exactly. Okay, then we will do the same coding. Okay, we will add the two numbers only, but we will add it using the yeah, it's using the procedure. Okay, let's say so the syntax is create procedure. Okay, give the procedure name. Let's say add you know add two. I will give the parameters input x as integer. Okay, y, this is also my integer, y as integer. Okay, then I will say I want my output from this z as my integer. Okay, I will say here language SQL script. Okay, so guys, as I told you, I think previously also, we have to specify here the language also because HANA database also like this database also supports that R language, but that will be not covered in this course because that is a different part, guys. Okay, that is completely related to machine learning and all. So we will go with let's write here language SQL script, and I will write as okay same code, guys. Okay, begin, I will say z equals to colon, we have to use same code guys. Okay, y, then I will say yes, end. That's all what we have to do here. Okay, now, so what is the procedure guys? So procedure is just a container. So we write SQL script code inside this. So what is my container name? My container name is add2. What I will do is it will add the two numbers. Okay, what is this in out? Okay, I will go back there and I will write this inside the procedure. One second, guys. Procedure. Okay, procedure block. Procedure block. Okay, what is this in guys? In will the input, whatever the input we want to give this paragraph to this block, OU and input OUT, right? Output. Okay, what the output you want to take from this. Okay, so what is this procedure block? So procedure block is a container. I will write here as sorry. Okay, procedure is just a container. Okay, where we write SQL script inside this. Okay, I hope this one is clear, guys. So where we write our SQL script inside it. Okay, so let's go back. Now, what I will do is I will just okay. So this is my procedure. Okay, I will execute this. So guys, what is my look? It will not give me an output. Why? Because we are creating this. Then it will give me output whenever I will call this. So what is this, guys? Create procedure add to. Okay, language SQL script as we can see successfully executed. Okay, so this is successfully executed. Okay, so here what is my procedure name? This add to is my procedure name for here. Okay, I hope this one is clear, guys. Now, if you want to see where is this procedure created, now do you think will this be created? Yes, as you have executed this, it is already created in the system. Let's go to my user. If I will go inside the procedure, yeah, I will right click. Sorry, I okay. We can take from here only. Okay. Would you make procedure name, guys? Look, guys, it's add two. It's coming over here also. Okay. So this is what you can see, guys. That code is gone. Okay. Now, okay. If I will close this, it's closable. No. Okay. So if it will go, then we can take it from here. You can see this is exists in the system inside my username best, and here is my tables. Here it is there. So the not in the table A. So in the procedure, you can see add to is my procedure. Okay. Let's call this, guys. Okay. How can you call this? Open a new open the new console. Okay. How can you call? Just write a simple query, guys. Call. Okay. That. Mhm. Yeah. I will write here and I will call this add two. Okay. I will call this call add 2. Okay, what are the input values? Let's say 10 I want to give. Okay, and I will give 20, and for the output I am giving the question mark only. Okay, to tell the system I will execute this. Look, guys, it is giving me output as 30. Okay, why? Because we are adding these two numbers over there. So this is how you can call your procedure. Okay, how to create a procedure? How to create procedure? And once again, I will write it here. You click here. I will copy this. Let's paste it over there. How to create? This is how you can create this, and this is how. Let's say how to call procedure. I hope this one is clear, guys. Okay. Here also I can give my input values also. Okay. Once again. Okay. So this is how you can create this. I hope this one is clear, guys. We go to the again my username. Okay. Okay, let's open my console again. And this might be a bit confusing for you guys. Okay, if I will do it again for you, let's say I will do all procedure, okay, sub 2, and we say let's take input as x, okay, the data type will be integer, input as y, data type will be integer, then output as the data type will be integer, okay. So I will tell them that language will be SQL script as begin of begin z equals to semicolon x plus semicolon y. Okay, do this as and to and only, and I will say as subtract this time or multiply. Let's say multiplication subtraction this time. Let's say I will execute this. Oh, what is that error? Again. SAP data is using the subline. What is this error, guys? All procedure. What is this error? Shall we slip as this? Okay, sorry, we have not declared this z. Okay, so it might be giving error. Declare z as integer. Okay, let's try this time. Again, new error here. I think it's not supported here. It's give plus only. SCPD detection and call procedure. Sorry guys, you have to use great. I am using Paul there. I will execute this. again same error. Road procedure. What is this error? Uh, what is this error, guys? Just give me a moment. Wait. Or what we can do is action V create procedure. Sorry, sub two. Yeah, it's created, guys. Sorry, there was some spelling mistake. So sub two is created. Inside this, I will go procedure. Okay. What is that? Sub two. You can see here, sub two is created. Now, guys, how can we call this? Okay. And one more thing I want to show you. If I will execute this again, guys, you can see it's already created. But if I will do execute this again, okay, notice this error is you can say cannot use duplicate name. Why? Because sub2 is already created into the system. है So sub2 is already created. So here we cannot use this again. Why we cannot use this again? Because it is creating this again. In that case, what you have to do is we have to use another keyword which is known as order. For example, if we want to say something here as multiplication, okay, sorry, multiplication, okay, again it will give me error, same error it will give me cannot use a duplicate name. To avoid this, I can use this, you can use the order keyword. Okay, I will execute this again. You can see, guys, it's not giving me error. Why? Because it's not creating it again. Okay, so this is how you can do. Okay, let's execute this. Okay, so what I will do is I will say as all. Okay, what is my procedure name? My procedure name is that, yeah, sub two. All sub two. What is the input value is 20, 30. I want my output, so I will give it as question mark. Okay, right. I will execute this. So you can see why my output is 30. Question mark, why it is coming as question mark? Let me go there. What is this? Giving me this error because of this. Wait. And look, if you will change anything, then again execute this only, then it will reflect. Okay. Mm, Give me a moment, guys. Yeah, I think what's the error? Oh, okay. So look, guys, we have already declared this z integer over there. Okay, z. But again, we are declaring this. Okay, so it's taking it as a null. That's why it's giving this as null result. I will execute this. Okay, so it's created now. I will say call sub2. I will give 20 and my, let's say, question mark. Okay, no, let's say I will execute this. You can say my output is coming as 30. So this is how you can do this, guys. Okay, so for you. Okay, because we was doing addition here. So guys, this is how you can do this, create this procedure using there. Okay, you can see here this procedure is already exist into my system. Okay, into my procedure type inside my user, inside my procedure type. Okay, if you are creating it for the first time, use the create keyword. If you are using it, if you want to change something, okay, like the same logic applies here, guys. Okay, if you have taken something, okay, like which is long into your size, okay, and you want to, what do you want to do, want to alter it, okay, same thing we are doing here. in the existing procedure we want to change something, we have to use this older. Okay, so this is how you can do this. Okay, I hope this one is clear, guys. So in the next coming up session, we will create how can we create a table. Okay, how can we create a table which will exist here using the SQL script code. Okay, so that's all for this session, guys. Have a good day. Bye bye.